demonstrations, cutting-edge vignettes, and interactive learning features all in one space here at the Installation and Design Experience. This area of the show floor is a great hub for learning best practices and networking. In the lounge area, the National Tile Contractors Association are giving live demonstrations.
Amount of attendants in there that are watching our demos that are going on right now. They're fantastic. So we're all about training and education, and that's what they're doing in there.
This year, the Tile Council of North America created an area featuring their highly respected product performance testing laboratory.
For a contractor, if there's an issue that's happened in installation or there's materials they're using that they're having concerns with, our lab can do testing to help them figure out what the problem is or whether or not that product meets industry standards, or really just to help guide them in what the best installation products that they should be using.
The experience also includes giveaways and game show survey says, where attendees challenge their colleagues to answer the question, who knows the most about tile and stone?